Meaning of fearsome.
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 Fearsome. Fearsome means causing fear or awe due to being powerful, intimidating, or menacing. It is often used to describe something or someone that inspires a feeling of terror or dread. This could refer to physical attributes such as size, strength, or appearance, as well as psychological factors like reputation or behavior. A fearsome creature might be a ferocious animal or a mythical monster, while a fearsome leader could be a ruthless dictator or charismatic demagogue. Overall, fearsome implies a sense of danger or foreboding that can provoke a strong emotional response.